This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Fall Guys error code 200 underscore 001. So guys, first thing that you need to do is open up your Epic Games and log in using your account. And now guys, once you are signed in using your account, you just go ahead and go to the library. And from here, guys, on the library, just click on the three dots over here, and you should be able to have an option here called Verify. And since I haven't downloaded the game, it is not showing. But if the game is installed, you should have your Verify, and then from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And now, guys, for the second solution, just go to your Google and just search for status.epicgames.com. And then from here, you will see all of the games on the Epic. So from here, just click on the Fall Guys. And from here, guys, you will see if there is an error on their game. So as you can see, all of them are operational, so we will have no issue. So guys, if you have an error, just wait for some time and try again later. So now for the third solution, guys, is try logging out on your Epic Games. So sign out into your account, and then once it is signed out, just log in back again on the Epic Games, and then from there you should be able to fix your game. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.